snap, 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 snap. There it is. 2016 Mazda 3. Window regulator is broken. The window got stuck here, so I'm gonna open it up, and there's one there, and then the panel should pop off. Sometimes these clips will stay here, like that one. We'll pop it off right now with a little pry tool and just snap it back in here. Just snap it back in here. All right, we're just gonna pop off all of these. All right, so we just let that hang there. We should be able to take off these bolts and pull this panel out and get the window out. All right, so we're taking out these 2 bolts here, one there, one there. This regulator was broken, but luckily the window's pretty loose, so I could hold it there. We're gonna pull out that bolt, and then we'll take off this panel. My camera's dying, so I'm gonna do most of this off camera. These bolts here, the panel will come out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on the other side. All right, so this panel just comes off. We took off all the bolts, it pops off. I did drop the motor. The motor goes here, took that one off. Now, the only thing holding this regulator is this bolt here. So we're gonna pop that bolt off, pull it out, and then drop the new one in. All right. So I found it was easier just to mount this up here, and then I'm gonna slip it in there and put the last bolt, and then we'll put all the panel bolts, and I'll be back. So I had to plug it in, put the panel on, and wrote on the regulator a little bit so it can line up with these holes here. And I already put those bolts, I tightened them. I'm gonna put the rest of these, snapping all these back in, plugging them all back in. These are tight. I'll put these little covers back. Just gonna make sure these are fully tight. Tighten this one. The ones that stayed in the car, took them off, slide them in here. So we got these on. We're just gonna get up close, plug this in. So we plug these 2 in. This one just slips in here, and then you line it up. Snap, 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 snap. There it is. So we just put this one here, snug it up, and this one down here. Snug it up. Put the little covers, check the window. Sometimes you have to recalibrate the auto window, so you just push it down all the way. When it hits the bottom, you hold it for about 5 seconds, and then go up all the way. When it hits the top, hold it for about 5 seconds, and that'll recalibrate the window, and we should be good. I was gonna get the glass cleaned up and get her on her way.